Hello friends, first of all thanks for being here. Friends, we know how to square root a number, but if the number given is non-perfect square, then how to solve it? Yes, today we will solve those type of questions. Let's see, we know this squares from 1 to 10, and let's see the number given is square root of 12. Square root of 12. Yes, how to solve the square root of 12? Let's see, it is very simple friends. Just write this as like, see, we know 12 is in between 9 and 16. That means 3 square and 4 square. So then we can write this as square root of 9 plus 3 I can write, or otherwise we can write it as square root of 16 minus 4. Is it? And let's see how to solve it. Square root of 9. Square root of 9 means will become 3 plus, write the 3 as it is, 3 divided by double of this number. Double of this number means how much will be 3 into 2. 3 into 2 means how much will become 6. So it is 3 plus 3 by 6 means 1 by 2. 1 by 2, nothing but 3 plus is 0.5. So finally we will get 3.5 will be the answer. Like this, see, in this also we can solve it. This same square root of 12 can be written as 16 minus 4. So we can see 16 square root of 16 means it is a 4, and minus, write the 4 as it is, and by double of this 4 means how much will become 8. And if you solve it, it become 4 minus 4 by 8 means 1 by 2 again, and it will become 4 minus 0.5, and finally you will get answer is 3.5. And see, let us see next question. Let's see, next question will be like, if you take square root of 21, square root of 21 if we take, how can we write? 21 is in between, where it will be? 21 will be 16 and 25. So 16 in between 16 and 25. So I can write this as square root of 16 plus how much will be, and 5. Okay, square root of 16 plus 5, or otherwise you can write it as 25 minus 4, or otherwise we can write it as 25 minus 4. First we will solve this one, and square root of 16 means simply it is a 4 plus, write the 5 as it is, by 4 into 2. How much will become? The 4 into 2 become 8. If you solve it will become 4 plus 5 by 8. If you solve it, how much we will get? 5 by 8 if you solve it become it is 0.86 48. 2 will be left over there, 8 2 so 0.62, and finally we will get 4.62. so this is the nearest possible answer. And if you solve the same value like square root of 25, square root of 25 means it is a 5 minus, write the 4 as it is, divided by 5 into 2, how much will become 10. So simply if you solve it, is a 5 minus 0.4, and the final answer will be 4.6. Is it? Yeah. Next we will see next question. If you see square root of 37, square root of 37, if you see, how can we write it as? We can write it as, see, 37 is in between 36 and 49. So nearest we can take like 36 plus 1, we can write simply, we can write is a 36 plus 1, and if you see 36 means it will become 6 plus, write 1 as it is, 1 by 6 into 2, how much will become 12. So finally we will get answer 6 plus 1 by 12. 1 by 12 means how much will become? 0. 0 if you take will become 100, and 12 8 12 8 96. So it become like, so finally answer will become 6.08 will be the answer for this. Okay, next we will see square root of 56. So square root of 56 if we take, square root of 56, so square root of 56 if you see, 56 is in between, how much will be? 56 will be between 49 and 37 square and 8 square, 49 and 64. So I can write it as 49 plus 7, 49 plus 7, I can write it as 49 plus 7, and square root of 49 means simply 7 plus, write the 7 as it is, 7 by, and take the double of this one, become 14, and the answer will become 7 plus 7 by 14 simplified 1 by 2, and 7 plus it will become 0.5, and finally we will get answer is 7.5. Okay, next see square root of 65. Next is square root of 65. Friends, 65 is in between the 64 and 81, so I will take nearest value is 64, so I can write it 65 becomes 64 plus 1, and if you write square root of 64 means it will become 8 plus write 1 as it is, and 1 by 8 into 2 become 16, and if you solve it 8 plus 16, if you take 0 that is point and 1 0 will be added here, and if you take one more 0 and one more 0 will be added here, so 16 6 96, and 4 will be there, and point because the point 0 will come 40, 16 2 so answer will become 8.062. And friends, next we will see one more question that take 79, that is square root of 79. Friends, can we write this as how can we write this one? 79 is in between 79 is 64 and 81, so I can write like nearest I will take, so that is 81 will be there, so I can write this as 81 minus 2, so square root of 81 become 9 minus 2, right? 2 as it is 2 divided by 9 2 is 18, so 9 minus 1 by 9 we can say. Finally we will get 9 minus 1 by 9 means it is 0 point means 0 will be added here, so then 10 by 9 means 1 will come, that is 9 1 and again 1 will be there, so again 1 will come like 0.11, so the finally we will get the answer will be 8.89. So this is the answer. See friends, how simple it is. Please try to make a number of questions, then only you can get and remember this method. Thank you.